Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to bead on fabric. First, we need to secure our thread. Take your needle and thread it with a strong fish line or beading thread. Then, make a small knot at the end to prevent it from slipping through the fabric. This is an important step whether you're beading on fabric or making handmade beaded jewelry. We will use 4mm crystal beads and 0.3 fish line. Now, push the needle up from the back of the fabric to the front where you want your first bead to be. Slide one bead onto the thread. This technique is not only great for decorating fabric but can also be used when making beaded accessories like necklaces and bracelets. Next, place the needle right beside the bead very close to it and push it back down through the fabric. This helps secure the bead firmly in place. This same method is used in beaded jewelry making, especially for creating intricate patterns on fabric-based designs. To continue, bring the needle back up next to the previous bead and repeat the same process. Add one bead, place the needle beside it, and pass it through the fabric again. This technique ensures the beads sit neatly on the fabric without moving around. Make sure your stitches are tight, but not too tight that the fabric puckers. Also, always keep your beads aligned for a clean and professional look. These same rules apply when creating handmade beaded jewelry like earrings, pendants, or beaded cuffs. You've learned the basic techniques of beading on fabric and making beautiful jewelry. You can repeat this process to create beautiful patterns and designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beading tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.